Trello Task Manager, watch before using. If you're looking for a reliable task management tool, Trello is one of the most popular options available. In this honest review, I'll give you an overview of the features, who it's built for, and whether it's worth your time. Links to the product are in the description below if you want to try it for yourself. Trello is a flexible and visually appealing tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. You can create multiple boards for different projects, and within each board, you have lists to break down tasks into stages like to do, in progress, and completed. The interface is simple but powerful, allowing you to easily drag and drop tasks between lists. One standout feature is the ability to add due dates, attachments, checklists, and labels, giving you the flexibility to track tasks in a way that suits your workflow. Trello's free plan offers a solid set of features, but for those who need advanced functionality like automation with Butler or more robust reporting, there are paid plans available. These include business class and enterprise options, which unlock more customization and security features. This tool is best suited for individuals, small teams, or even larger organizations that need a visually intuitive way to track tasks and collaborate. It's especially useful for project managers, freelancers, and remote teams working on multiple projects. The easy-to-understand interface means no steep learning curve, making it perfect for both beginners and more experienced users. However, if you're looking for more complex project management features like Gantt charts or resource allocation, you might find Trello lacking in those areas. Overall, Trello is a solid task manager for day-to-day use, with enough flexibility for most users. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're after something simple and visual, it could be a great fit. But if you need advanced project tracking tools, you might want to look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Your support helps others discover useful tools like Trello.